Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore features of the embedded BI product within Bold BI. Using it, you can easily integrate dashboards into your business applications, making it easier than ever to review data and streamline your business processes. Having a single application where both your business information and Bold BI dashboards are rendered lets you analyze information and make data-driven decisions within your business application. Such an integrated app avoids unwanted context switching between your application and Bold BI, thus increasing your productivity and the application's value as well. You can integrate a dashboard hosted online or on-premise in your business application directly, since the embedded BI tool is available in both the cloud and on-premise versions of Bold BI. Now, let's see the types of embedded BI available in Bold BI. They are embedded BI on-premise and embedded BI cloud. With embedded BI on-premise, you can host data on your own server or in your cloud account. With this, you will maintain infrastructure. With embedded BI cloud, Syncfusion will host and manage your data. So in this case, we will maintain the infrastructure. To begin with Bold BI dashboards, you must first register with Bold BI. To learn about the registration process, check out the video, Getting Started with Bold BI, which is linked in this video's description. Now, let us see the features of embedded BI. First, let us check out default dashboard rendering in Bold BI. To embed a dashboard into a web app, you need to get the embed code of that dashboard and include it in the web application. To get the embed code, first, log into your Bold BI account and navigate to the dashboard list page, where the dashboards are listed. Here, I'm going to show how to embed this online marketing dashboard into a web app. Click the share icon on the dashboard and choose Get Embed Code. Here, you can see the default HTML code, which is used to embed the dashboard. Additionally, you can see the list of features like dashboard comments, widget comments, views, and export options, which can be either enabled or disabled in the embed code. Now, I'm going to enable dashboard comments, widget comments, and export features. Once enabled, you will see the changes in the iframe source attribute as well. This is the HTML code that we are going to use in the web app. Now, let's create an ASP.NET MVC web application. Open Visual Studio and click Create a New Project. Choose ASP.NET Web Application and click Next. Enter a project name and click Create. Choose the MVC template and click Create. Run the created app, and you should see the default output of this Getting Started web app available in Visual Studio. Now, we are going to embed the marketing dashboard into this application. To do this, let's create a new menu called Default Embedding near the Contact menu in the Layout view. In the new page, Cloud view, add the copied iframe HTML code for the online marketing dashboard. Save the application and run it. Now navigate to the default embedding menu. You should see the dashboard embedded. Within the app itself, you can comment about the dashboard and its widgets, and play with the view and export options as well. This is how you can embed interactive business dashboards into your web application. Note that dashboards that have been marked public are rendered without any authentication, like this. Private dashboards require users with the appropriate permissions to log in, like this, when embedded into the web application. You can also embed the following into a web application via customized embedding: the dashboard list, a dashboard, and the dashboard designer. Let me demonstrate these three features via the Bold BI on-premise setup. To learn about downloading and installing it, a link is provided in this video's description. To begin, let me create a few sample dashboards. Click the plus icon and select Sample Dashboards. In the Sales category, select Northwind Trader Sales Analysis and click Add Dashboard. Now, click Close. You should see the added dashboard listed in the Dashboard List page. Following these steps, I have already added a few dashboards here. Now, let's see how to integrate this list in a web app. The dashboard list can be integrated into your web application by calling the getItem API endpoint. To access this endpoint, you must have an authorization token. For this video, I'll work with a sample code snippet available in our help documentation. A link to this is provided in the video's description. Download this sample and extract the contents. Once extracted, navigate to the scripts folder and open the properties.js file. Here, enter the root URL, site identifier, email, and password values of your Bold BI on-premise setup and save it. Copy the scripts, style, and web designer service folders from the extracted sample and paste them to the created web application project root directory like this. Also note that the user's credentials provided in the script file are for demo purposes only. We recommend you update this value in the server-side code and generate the token for a production application. Add a new menu named Customize Embedding with the view name List in the Getting Started web application. Now, create a list action in Home Controller. Next, create a view for this list action. Add the code to get the dashboard listing of the on-premise build into this application. Here I've included the required style sheets and scripts with required DOM elements to display the dashboard list. Using the credentials provided in the properties.js file, the authorization token will be generated in the getToken method. With this token, in the showDashboardListing method, we are collecting the required properties for each dashboard, which are used to render and edit this dashboard. Save the application and run it. Navigate to the Customize Embedding menu, and you will see the dashboard list of the on-premise build embedded in the application. You can also embed the dashboard viewer into your application to render a dashboard. To achieve this, use this code in render dashboard method to show the dashboard selected from the list. When you click on any dashboard name in the list, the render in dashboard method is called with the required parameters. Now, click on this dashboard, and you will see the dashboard rendered here. You can also embed the dashboard designer into your application. For this, you need to pass item ID, version number, and the isPublic property, which are collected from the selected dashboard and passed into the designer in query string like this. The Open Dashboard Designer method is used to open the designer. Now, click on the Edit button in this page, and you should see the dashboard open in edit mode in the designer. As you can see, editing the dashboard, like resizing a widget, can be saved from inside your application. In this video, we discussed an overview of Bold BI Embedded, both the cloud and on-premise versions, and their deployment in a web application along with their supported features. Leave a comment for any clarifications, or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI Embedded, in both the cloud and on-premise versions. In our next video, we will explore in detail working with widgets using Bold BI. Thanks for watching.